So hey guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Anaconda, which is a Python distribution on your Windows 10 operating system. So first of all, what is Anaconda? Anaconda is a free and open source distribution of Python and R programming language for data science and machine learning related applications. The Anaconda comes with very nice tools such as Spyder and Jupyter Notebook, which are also used by the beginners to learn Python using these tools because they are really easy and convenient to use. So let's see how we can download and install Anaconda on Windows 10 operating system. So first of all you need to search for Anaconda download on your favorite web browser, and the first link which will appear here will be from the anaconda.com websites. So we are going to go into this website, and once this website is open, after you scroll down you will see the download button which is here. So I'm going to click here on the download button, and once this download section open, you can see you can download Anaconda for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So as I'm using Windows, so I will download it for Windows. My system is 64-bit, so I will download it for 64-bit, and the download will start. And now this Anaconda executable file is downloaded on my Windows operating system. So I'm going to double click on it, and I'm going to minimize my browser. Here as you can see, the installation process of Anaconda is started. Now here we have to click next here, and this is the license agreement. If you have time you can read this. So I'll click on agree. This is for the users. If you have 2 to 3 users or 2 users on your operating system, or you want to install Anaconda just for you, so you can select here just me, uh, or you can select, if you want to install the Anaconda for all users, you can select all users. Then click next, and after that, here the destination folder will the directory will come. So the Anaconda will be installed on our C disk to the program data folder, and a new folder will be created, Anaconda 3. So you can change it by clicking on browse button. Here you can change. So uh, I'll change directory. I'll directly install Anaconda on C drive. So I'll make a new folder over here and click enter. I think I have the folder already created, so I'll merge it. Yes, then I'll click OK, and then here I will click next and then install. Now it will take a little bit time. So once Anaconda is installed on your Windows operating system, we can just search for Anaconda here. So it's going to give you few options. First one is the Anaconda prompt, and other is the Anaconda navigator. So we have to select here Anaconda prompt for now. So Anaconda prompt will open. Now here I'm going to check my Python version on this Anaconda prompt. So type I'll just type Python hyphen version. So it is showing 3.8.5. Also we can check Conda, which is installed on your operating system. We will give this command conda info and enter. and it will give you the version of Conda on your operating system with Anaconda. If you don't know what is Conda, it is an open source cross-platform language package management system which is useful for install some Python packages. Now here you can also see the version of Conda which is installed, which is 4.9.2. If you try to install a package, let's install I'll take a Conda install Numpy. So here it will install Numpy package for us. So I will just enlarge my font size. So I'll put it okay. As I said earlier, um, Anaconda comes with some nice functions such as Jupyter Notebook. So I'll open Jupyter Notebook here. I'll just type Jupyter Notebook and hit enter. So it will open a web page for us in a web browser. So here, as you can see, a web page is opened. So I will open the desktop and create a new folder over here. So I'll create a new folder and rename the folder. I'll rename this. Uh, okay. For now, I'll name this as untitled folder. So here I will create a new Python file. So it will create a new Python file over here. So as you can see, if I type some code here, print hello world and enter shift plus enter, so it will execute the code and the output will be shown over there. So if we want to write some 2-3 line code, suppose if x is equal to 4, and if you want to get a new line, just hit enter and you will see the cursor will be on the new line. Now print x over here. Now hit shift plus enter, so it will execute. And if you want to save this, you can save it from here. Go to file, now save and checkpoint, or you can use keyboard shortcut such as Control S. You can run your program from here. It will run your program. As I write nothing over here, a new line is created. So here it is an example of Jupyter Notebook. You can use it. There's a lot of functionality in Anaconda. You have to check it by your own, or you can open YouTube for it. There's a lots of options. So guys, this is it for the video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.